Hello, today we will guide you through how to track your Ikea order. In this walkthrough, we'll move through the Ikea site to the tracking tool and show you exactly how to look up your order using your order number or booking ID and the email you used at checkout. Start by opening your preferred web browser and going to the Ikea family page. This is part of Ikea's Loyalty Hub, and it's an easy starting point that links to helpful customer services. Once the page loads, look for the section that highlights various options available to members and shoppers. Next, select Services. This takes you to a broader customer service area where Ikea groups actions like returns, deliveries, and order support. The layout can update from time to time, so give the page a second to load all tiles or links. Now choose Track and Manage Order. You may see this phrased exactly like that, and it might appear as a prominent tile or link. If you see it more than once on the page, click the main option that leads to the Customer Service Tracking section. This ensures you land on the right place to look up your order details. On the Track and Manage Order page, select Track Order. This opens the order lookup form. Here's where you'll enter the details that confirm your purchase. In the first field, type your order number or booking ID. You can find the order number in your Ikea order confirmation email or receipt. If you have a booking ID associated with a scheduled delivery or service, that works too. Enter it exactly as shown, including any dashes if they appear, and watch out for extra spaces if you're pasting the number. In the next field, enter the email address you used at the time of purchase. Accuracy matters here, so make sure it matches your checkout details. If you have multiple email accounts, use the one where you received your Ikea confirmation. When both fields are filled in, click Look Up. The system will search and display your order status. Give it a moment to load. You should see details such as current status, delivery, or pickup window, and any updates from the carrier. If nothing appears, double-check the order number or booking ID for typos and confirm the email is correct, then try again. That's it. You've used Ikea's official tracking tool to find your order. Keep your order number handy for future checks and consider bookmarking the Track and Manage Order page for quick access next time. Thanks for following along, and happy tracking.